Welcome to AZ Solutions. I will be showing you some navigation and selection techniques using Excel. Firstly, if I select this cell here for beginner, what I'd like to do is jump from here straight to the right hand side before there's a blank cell. Holding Control and pressing the arrow key will jump to the last cell before there was a blank. Control and arrow down will do the same thing as you go down or up. If you add the Shift key to this selection, it will select the range of cells. Let's do that again. So if I start at beginners, holding Control and the arrow key will jump. If I add the Shift key, so it's Control Shift and the arrow key to the right, it will select as it jumps blocks of data. If you want to select a block of data from beginners to aquarobics across to the right, you can simply select one of the cells that's within the block area, hold down Control and press A. That will select the whole block. If I click in this cell here, which is between February and a figure here, that's enough to join anything in the row above and the data below. So Control and A, and that will select the whole block of data. If I click over here where there is no data around me, when I hit Control and A, that will select the entire sheet. If I click inside the block of data, let's do that again, Control A selects the block. You may change your mind, Control A again will extend the selection. The trick is to make sure you have the cell selected within other cells, so where there is other data around you. Thank you for watching AZ Solutions.